Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today I have a site which have a lot of regex example. Now you may ask what is actually regex? Okay, so regex or regular expressions, in short regex, are special string representing a pattern to be matched in search operations. So basically that is regex. So let me show you the site and we will understand a lot while seeing all of those. Okay, seeing all of those examples. So let's just dive into the video. Okay, and obviously before that I have to roll out the intro. Okay, let's just roll out the intro. Now today we have UI like regex library from UI Bakery. Now what is UI Bakery? UI Bakery is basically a tool like Retool, AppSmith, basically internal tool. Yeah, internal tool making tool. what? What is that? Internal tool making platform. Okay. So here we have a regex library for JavaScript, Python, Java, C Sharp, and PHP as well. Like I know most of the people still use PHP, and most of the websites are built with PHP. So in that case, PHP regex are great for them. Like I have already seen some of the websites that I use this type of regex. But here we have like different kind of regex libraries. Okay, and for different purpose as well, for email, for phone number, for IP address, date, URL, number only, or UUID. UUID is great. Okay, UUID we have, then word maths, zip code, GUID, password request. Now this zip code is only for US postal. Okay, password regex, HTML regex, SSN, MAC address, and a lot of things, and XML as well. So let me show you a example as well. Okay, so here is it, and obviously here you are getting the guide, and from here you can switch between languages as well. So that is also possible. So in Python, what color they are using? In Python also they are using blue, Java orange, for C violet, blue. Python and PHP are almost, no, not same color, different color. So okay, whatever. I just wanted to try the color. Sorry. Okay. And here is our regex. Okay. So here is the expression that you will use in your backend language or form validation or whatever you may wanna call it. Let's try one. Okay. So https colon double slash, let's say bohon dot go. Yeah, true. But it will not detect TLDs for sure, because dot c is not any TLD or dot q is not a TLD, but still it will not detect that. So obviously there are something, because obviously there can be any new uh TLDs any moment, if you say. Okay, because there are a lot of TLDs, and you can actually like in one section you can actually have a lot of other variants of same TLDs as well. Like here you can see URL regex that doesn't start with HTTP or HTTPS. You can taste that here as well. And rather than that, we have some others, like suppose date regex. For date regex we also have variants like this ISO 8061 date regex. That is that particular format. If you want to taste that or something else as well, we have, obviously we have email regex. That's a basic thing here. You can see like more complex image logic. This JavaScript regular expression will match 99% of valid email addresses and will not pass validation for email addresses that have, for instance. So if I actually do one thing, sorry. So if I actually do one thing, that is, if I just create a temp mail and let's just create the mail. Okay, if I create a temp mail and paste it over here, still showing true. So it will pass on temp mail, right? That's not a big thing. Here, obviously, it's passing temp mail. So yeah, so that are the things that you can see over here. But yeah, obviously useful. Like, I gonna give it to my backend developer team because this will be way more helpful for them, because yeah, it's gonna make their life more easier. But to be honest, if I am using React and if I am using Formic, and for that if I am using Joey, right, Joey for validations schema, I will not be needing this as well. But this is for simpler tasks like normal JavaScript app or Python app or PHP app. So it's for that purpose only. So that's it for this video. Actually, that's it for this website. Let me know if you will use it or not, okay, in the comments. And if you know some of the great tools like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below as well, so I can feature them in my future video. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And that's it. Bye.